Building a lucrative internet security business, tips from successful entrepreneurs. In today's digital age, internet security has become a critical concern for individuals and organizations alike. Cyber threats such as phishing, malware, and data breaches have become increasingly sophisticated, forcing businesses to invest in robust security measures to protect their networks and data. This has led to a burgeoning internet security industry, with entrepreneurs and businesses seeking to capitalize on the growing demand for cybersecurity solutions. However, building a successful internet security business is no easy feat, and aspiring entrepreneurs need to have a solid plan in place to succeed. In this video, we will be sharing insights and tips from successful entrepreneurs who have built lucrative internet security businesses. Our experts will discuss the key challenges and opportunities in the industry, the essential skills and knowledge required to excel in the field, and strategies for building a solid customer base and scaling your business. Whether you're a startup founder, security professional, or business owner looking to enhance your security posture, this video will provide valuable insights into the world of internet security entrepreneurship. In the constantly evolving landscape of internet security, building a lucrative business can be challenging. However, successful entrepreneurs have shared tips to help aspiring business owners succeed. One common theme is the importance of providing value to customers. Comprehensive internet security solutions that address current and potential threats are key to building a loyal customer base. Staying up to date with the latest industry trends and investing in research and development can also set a business apart from competitors. A strong focus on customer service and transparency can further establish trust and credibility with clients. By prioritizing value and innovation, entrepreneurs can build a lucrative internet security business. Developing a successful internet security business requires the investment of resources into training and development for employees. Keeping up to date with the most recent industry trends and technologies can provide your business with a competitive edge. Investing in the education of your employees can provide them with the knowledge necessary to identify potential threats and develop effective solutions. Additionally, offering training and development opportunities so employees can provide them with the confidence to take initiative and demonstrate their knowledge. By investing in the training and development of your employees, you can ensure that your business is well equipped to meet the challenges of the internet security industry. To be successful, it is important to build a strong brand identity and reputation by consistently delivering high-quality services to your clients. This means having a clear understanding of the security needs of your customers and providing solutions that meet their needs. It also means providing a customer-oriented experience, from the initial contact through to the delivery of the services. Additionally, it is important to keep up with the latest trends in the industry and to stay ahead of the competition. Finally, it is essential to market your services effectively, positioning yourself as a trusted partner for customers, and building relationships that will last. Successful entrepreneurs have identified leveraging social media and other digital marketing channels as a key tip for building a successful and lucrative internet security business. Social media platforms, such as Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn, provide powerful tools for engaging with potential customers and increasing visibility for the business. Additionally, other digital marketing channels such as content marketing, pay-per-click advertising, and email marketing can be used to reach out to target customers, increase web traffic, and boost brand awareness and reputation. Ultimately, these methods can help drive sales and lead to a more profitable internet security business. To sum it up, building a successful internet security business requires more than just technical know-how. It requires a focus on customer satisfaction and building long-term relationships with clients. By offering exceptional customer service and ongoing support, entrepreneurs can differentiate themselves in a crowded market and create a loyal customer base. The tips shared by successful entrepreneurs can serve as a guide to anyone looking to start or grow an internet security business. With persistence, dedication, and a focus on customer satisfaction, building a lucrative internet security business is achievable.